Today we're making ghost pepper kettle corn. Today we're gonna be making spicy kettle corn. And to do that, we're gonna be using this ghost pepper flavacol. This is just like any other flavacol that you would use, the regular butter flavor, except this one is super spicy, super hot. And what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be putting 3 cups of popcorn kernels, 1.5 cups of butter coconut oil in this popcorn popper. We're gonna be adding about 3 tablespoons of this ghost pepper flavacol. And then as the popcorn kernels start to pop, that's when we're gonna add in our sugar. And we're gonna pop this up and make spicy kettle corn. So let's get popping. 1.5 cups of corn oil, 3 cups of corn. Now we're gonna add in our flavacol. So we're gonna put in, this stuff is so strong. You can't breathe in when you're over it. Whoa, this stuff is hot and spicy. It's running right up my nose. We put in 3 heavy tablespoons in there. Wow, that stuff is strong. Holy cow, it's right up my nose right now. It is, man, that's spicy. A little stir. Oh, look how nice and red that is. Now what we're gonna do is, once this starts to pop, we're gonna add our sugar. And that's what's gonna help us make that spicy kettle corn. If you're interested in checking out the Popcorn Genius recipes for popcorn, there's a link down in the description where you can download your free copy. Also, just a reminder, there are links down in the description for all the products we're using here today. And if you want to make one of these kettle corn machines just like we did, there's a link for that too. Oh yeah, you can smell that spiciness. We're starting to pop. We're gonna add our sugar and our compound S. This is a 1.25 cups of sugar and 1.5 tablespoons of compound S. Help that sugar stick to that really well. Starting to foam up. That compound S makes that foam up like that. Oh yeah, you can smell the spiciness to this. This ghost pepper stuff is so hot. Last time I tried it, I had no words. It was so hot. All right, we're starting to pop. Oh yeah, you can smell how spicy that is. That is strong. You can't even get your face over the top of that. It's so strong. Spicy, it goes right up your nose. Look at that bright red color. All right, let's scoop it around. We're not gonna try this with salt to start with, just because that flavacol is a popcorn salt, but we'll try it at first, and if we think it needs a little bit more salt, we'll hit it with a little salt. All right, let's take a look at a couple pieces. Look how coated that is. Man, that's still hot. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, you don't even need any salt. I kind of, oh boy. Okay. Let me try to explain this one. That is so hot. Whoa. That is so hot. It's got me right in the back of the throat. It's so hot. It's sweet. and it's gonna get sweeter as it goes on, but right now it's just really hot. Holy cow. It's really good though. I'm not a big fan of hot stuff, but this is actually really good. I think it's getting hotter in my mouth. It's like in the back of my throat, it's just getting hotter and hotter. Okay. It's starting to subside a little bit now. Wow, that's really good. It's nice because it's a balance between that sweetness and the spiciness. We use ghost pepper and sugar to make this spicy kettle corn. So get out there and get popping.